Train number 3, Union Pacific. Woo! Union Pacific 6786 and 8345. Woo! With the horn show. Got the like two brand new like coal hoppers or something. I don't know what that really is. We got some QLF tankers, which apparently stands for when I see quarterly liquid feeds. Huh. I need to know what, if any other rail fans know what that means, please let me know down in the comments. Is that like some chemical company? Is that supposed to be like a chemical company of some sort that I've never heard of? And I've seen it multiple times. I just never really mentioned it in my videos. Again, I know I keep saying it, but I'm sorry for not getting the full video of the CSX. I don't know how I did it, but I guess I like accidentally stopped my video somehow. I don't know how, but I just did. So really sorry about that. But I'm just happy I caught CSX Spirit of Cincinnati. Not sure if y'all can hear it, but my defect detector is going off. Hey, he's got those like little intermodal tanker cars coming up. And it's also the end of the train. There's one more hopper right after, and then that's the end of this train. If anyone knows what these are for, right here, these like little tankers on the flat, these like little tanks on the flat cars. If anyone know, if any other rail fans are watching this video, please let me know. Like, are they just like the regular tankers, or are they like completely different? If anyone knows, please let me know in the comments. There goes the end. Train number 3 of today in Metairie. Union Pacific with a really good horn show. And I'm gonna do a little something. If that Union Pacific engineer sees this video, I just want to say shout out to you and thank you for that awesome horn show. So if you see this video, Mr. Union Pacific, whatever your name is on that Union Pacific train, if you see this video, shout out to you. Thank you for that awesome horn show. Hope y'all enjoy.